It's a product which is a smart water technology used for water management. These products are basically sensors to measure soil moisture, data transfer systems to take the data from remote sites back to a software, and then a software to actually look at the data and help the analysis of when to water and how much to apply. This product line assists in water use efficiency, high production, improved quality, and improved profits for the irrigation manager. A typical layout would be remote sites with soil moisture sensors with wireless radios communicating back to a host server to transport this data on a regular basis, and then viewing the data on demand on near real-time basis. The data that comes through helps the decision maker, the irrigator, to determine when to water and how much to apply. Very simple concepts of irrigation management. With the data, you can see in the blue areas on the left-hand side graph is overwatering. If you continue to be in that area, you're wasting water, you're reducing yields, you're pushing nitrates down into below the root zone and into the estuaries. If you maintain the crop in the green zone, you're optimising yield, improving quality, you're saving water. If you go down into the red sector, you're actually reducing yield, you're stressing the crop, you need to just give a bit more water back up into the green. Our value proposition for the people who use our product line is we save money and we make money. We save money by reducing irrigation input costs of energy and water. We help with strategic management. We help with minimising impact on the environment. We make money through increasing the yields, improving the quality and getting paid more, and also being more strategic with our timing. We get a high return on investment with our soil moisture solutions. We have positive management and financial outcomes for the irrigator, and we have economic and environmental sustainability. Innovations over the last 10 years by our company are wireless sensors. We're one of the first to introduce that around the world back in '98. We're one of the first to have a web-based program in 2001 to view remote devices on the web. A vineyard in 2001 could look at data in Napa Valley, in California, in Chile, in Argentina, and McLaren Vale, all just on the click of a button. We've also developed wireless systems that use the CDMA and GMS networks with these remote devices. We've owned and managed networks across Australia and the US with thousands of devices deployed in irrigation regions to help improve water use efficiency. These sensors are all wireless and remote and providing the key data to make these decisions for irrigation management. Our business is located here in Adelaide as well as Sydney and Brisbane. We also are active in North America with offices in the East Coast, West Coast and the Midwest. We also have an office that covers Latin America. Our initial product back in '98 has become, with a high brand recognition, it's a capacitance probe with multi-sensors to measure the moisture, along with our web-based program called AgWise, have been integral in the core part of our business. Our traditional markets have taken us into irrigated cotton, where we've, row crops where we've increased the quality and the yield. We're processing potatoes, processing tomatoes and so forth, and corn. Through to cotton, where we've increased the yields and dramatically reduced water, so we have a low megalitre per tonne usage. We've also been involved in citrus and also in viticulture. Now, the new product line takes us into many more markets in agriculture. So we're now into golf, turf, urban. The sensors cover a whole range of commercial and agriculture and urban space and many different price points. Just to give you a couple of examples that we have in the golf industry, we're able to minimise what's happening on the left-hand side with the shallow root zones from overwatering. We use 60% less water to get the turf root zone down to depth. And so we can make these changes with irrigation management. We can stop growers from getting too dry or getting too wet and maintaining the optimum conditions. We can help on a large spatial area without better water management. We have a product that connects to a controller at a household. We can stop irrigations from occurring. In this case here, we stopped 14 irrigations out of 20 at the household. So all of this has a big impact on how we use water. What we see is that we don't have a water supply crisis, we have a water management crisis. We need to use less water and use it more effectively. Our sensor technology, AquaSpy, can help you do that. Thank you.